Hello everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, I am going to solve exercise 9.1, second main question. In the second main question, we have a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where top touches the ground is 8 meter. Then we need to find out the height of that tree. Let's say, for example, let's say that height of the tree is equals to, let's say it is equals to A, C, and let's say it is bent at this point B. Now, this part, broken part AB makes some sort of angle with the ground. That is, it makes 30-degree angle with the ground, and we need to find out the total height of the tree. For that, let's draw a proper right angled triangle. Let's say this is the part which stands vertically on the ground, and let's say this is the part which breaks down due to storm. Let's say this length is the distance between the foot of this tree and top which touches the ground. So I'm going to consider this as B, this as C, and let's say this as A. Then we can write here as BC is the vertically standing height of that tree. Then AB is the length of the tree which breaks down from stone. Now it is given that the distance between base of the tree and the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. So we can write that the length of AC is 8 meters, and it is also given that this top makes an angle equal to 30 degree. So here we need to find out the total height of the tree. That is, first we need to find out the value of BC as well as we need to calculate the value of AB. Then we should add these two values. That is, we need to find out the sum of AB and BC to get the total height of the tree. So let's try to find that one. Here we have the value of this angle A. With the help of this, let's try to find out the value of BC. If we consider this A as theta, then this becomes the adjacent side and this becomes the opposite side. So let's try to find out the value of BC first. So since we are given the value of adjacent side and we need to find out the opposite side value, let's use tan theta. We know that tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent side. So we can write here tan A is equals to opposite side any BC divided by adjacent side is AC. So tan, the value of A is 30 degrees. So let's write it. Tan 30 degree is equals the value of BC. That's what we need to find. So keep that BC as it is, divided by the value of AC is 8. We know that tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. So let's write it as 1 by root 3 is equals BC by 8. Let's go for the cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication, we can write that BC into root 3 is equals 8 into 1, which further gives us BC is equals 8 into 1, which gives us 8 divided by root 3. So the value of BC is 8 by root 3 meters. Now we have the value of BC, which is 8 root 8 by root 3 meters, and let's try to find out the value of AB. Since we are given the value of adjacent side and this AB is now hypotenuse for this right angled triangle BCA. Since we have the value of adjacent side and we need to find out the value of hypotenuse, here we can use cos theta. We know that cos A is equals or cos theta is equals adjacent side by hypotenuse. So we can write cos A is equals, here the adjacent side is AC divided by hypotenuse is AB. So let's use this one. The value of cos A, the value of this angle A is 30 degrees. So let's write that as cos 30 degree is equals, we have the value of AC which is 8 meter divided by, we need to find the length of AB, so let's keep that AB as it is. We know that the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So let's write that root 3 by 2 is equals 8 divided by AB. Then let's go for the cross multiplication, which gives us AB into root 3 is equals 8 into 2. Then AB is equals to 8 2s we get 16 divided by, let's shift this root 3 to other side of the equal, then we have AB is equals 16 by root 3. Now we have the value of AB which is 16 by root 3, and we have the value of BC which is 8 by root 3. As we can clearly see that total length of this tree is AC, that is the sum of BC and AB. So if we want to find out the height of that tree, then we should find out the sum of BC and AB. So let's do that. So here I am adding AB with BC. So let's write AB plus BC is equals, value of AB is 16 by root 3 plus the value of BC is 8 by root 3. LCM of root 3 and root 3 is root 3. So root 3 ones are root 3 ones are. We can write it as 16 ones are 16 plus 8 ones are 8 whole divided by that LCM root 3. This 16 plus 8 gives us 24 whole divided by root 3. Further, we can write this 24 as 8 into root 3 into root 3, because we know that root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 whole square, which gives us 3. 8 into 3 gives us 24 whole divided by this root 3. So we can cancel this root 3 and this root 3. At last we are left with only 8 root 3 meters. That is the value of AB plus BC. So we can say that 8 root 3 meters is the height of that tree. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.